wipe that, gon' throw rice too.
What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor B Beauty and this video is going to be an updated what's in my bag video. The last time I did one of these videos had to have been over a year ago, but you know, I love these kind of videos, so I just want to keep you guys updated on what I like to have in my bags. So if you want to see what's in my Louis Vuitton Neverfull size MM Damier Ebene print bag, keep on watching. A review on this bag really quickly. I absolutely love this bag. The Damier Ebene print is obviously the checkered print, and it is a tote bag, and the rose ballerine print is the pink on the inside, which I love these two colors together. And with this bag you can like I don't really cinch in the sides on this particular bag. I think I would cinch them in if I had the bigger size, but you can cinch them in like that and pull the string, but I don't like to do that. And then you can also, like, there's no zipper on this bag, so you can also just like clip the inside to try to keep it together like that. But I love this bag. The one thing I like about it is when I get the GM, I really want to get the monogram print. And I know with the monogram print you have the vachetta leather, which you really have to baby until it starts to patina, whereas this one is already treated leather, so you don't really have to baby it. Like, I've taken this out in the rain and it's perfectly fine. I haven't seen any like cracking or anything in the treated leather so far, but I will keep you guys updated. The bottom of the bag is still in good condition, and it also does not sag. I know a lot of people say that their bags start to sag, but I don't like to overfill my bag a lot, so that might be a part of it. Also, I hear that because this is the smaller size, or the medium size, they do have a PM size, which is the petite one, but because this is the smaller size, it doesn't sag as much as the bigger size one would. But I love this bag. It is my little baby. Okay everybody, so this is my bag. This is the Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene size MM bag with the rose ballerine print on the inside, and this bag retails for $13.60 plus taxes wherever you are. I love this bag. I actually want to get the size GM, and when I do, I'll do a comparison video between the two. But I think this is a really good like everyday tote bag, because I personally love tote bags. Every bag that I own is like on the bigger side, because I just have a lot of stuff and I like to throw it in my bag and I like to keep it moving. I don't like having little tiny bags because I have a lot of stuff and I want all of it to fit in here, because basically my bags are my life. So without further ado, I just want to jump right in. So the first thing that's in here is my planner. This is my planner. It says "What a Beautiful Day," and it is by the brand 365 Create 365 Happy Planner, Me and My Big Ideas. And I love this planner. I got it from Michael's, and it really keeps me like on track and organized. I usually have a smaller planner, but I realized that a bigger planner is really what I need to like keep me focused. So it is a 2018 planner, but it has 2019 calendar in it, and basically you just have like the months, and I also have like a sticker obsession. You can also like insert things into this planner. So I have the inserts for budgets, so I'm also obsessed with my budget, and it has like month at a glance, and this has like housing, transportation, insurance, food, children, I don't got no kids, taxes, personal care, entertainment, loans, savings, investments, and miscellaneous. And you basically fill out your budget for the month. I love this planner. It keeps my life together. And then it has like inspirational quotes, stop wishing and start doing, and all that good stuff. And I really love this organizers. I will be doing a like how to stay organized in college video, and this is a big part of it because that is how I stay organized, is a planner. So the next thing that I have in here are some headphones and my cell phone and my case, which needs to be on it. But this is just the iPhone 8 Plus. So I also plan on doing, I have a whole bunch of videos that I plan on doing, but I plan on doing a what's in my iPhone 8 Plus. This is just the 8, this is the 8 Plus, and it is, I think, 256 gigabytes. So I plan on doing one of those videos. My case is from Spec, and I got it when they were on sale. I think they had like a big sale, buy one get one 50% off, buy one get one free, I think it was. I don't know, but I love my Spec cases. The next thing I have in here is a bag full of like toiletry items, so I stay prepared. I have like little wipes that I use to wipe my hands. I have Excedrin because I always have headaches. I have spray hand sanitizer. Ooh, I've got my Fenty lip gloss. I have a mirror. This is my tried and true mirror. I got this from Forever 21 and it has never done me wrong. I have a hair tie in here. I've got some gum. I've got a nail file. I have, wait a minute. I have my Carmex in here. I've got some Listerine mouth spray in here. I've got a pen in here. I have my black opium spray, which is almost all gone, and this is some lotion from Bath and Body Works, and it is the Amber and Argan oil hand cream. I love this stuff. So that's all for this little bag. Next in here, I've got a hairbrush. I've got, I need to empty out my bag, to be honest. I've got some car keys in here, and this is a tee with Las Vegas on it when I was in Las Vegas. And I have a Minnie Mouse keychain that my mom got me when she went to Disney World. And I just have some keys on here and my car key. I have some earrings just in case I forget earrings in the house or whatever. I have a receipt. What is this receipt for? Oh, I bought some groceries. And I have a movie ticket because I went and saw Den of Thieves on Friday. I really liked it. I wish I hadn't gone and seen the later movie because I fell asleep during it, but it really was a good movie. I don't know why people are saying it's not a good movie. I really liked it, the parts that I saw. But yeah, it was Den of Thieves. And then this is the matching wristlet that goes with the bag. I use it as a wallet, but I'm looking to get a actual wallet because I recently lost my wallet, and like not this one but a different one, and I need to get an actual wallet that goes inside of my bag instead of having a wristlet. That is not a good idea, but for right now I have a wristlet, and inside of the wristlet I've got my gym membership card, which I'm going to be in the gym heavy this year. One of my New Year's resolutions was to drop some pounds, so I'm trying to be in the gym, do more cardio, do more weightlifting, and really watch what I eat because this year is about me and I'm trying to be on fleek. I have some money. I've got oh my goodness, I have a lot of cards. I have a checkbook. Oof. I have, let me see, I'm just gonna go through my cards real quick. and see if I really need to have all of these in here. But I have a library card, I have my bank card, I have a Discover card, I've got, oh my gosh, I have my driver's license. And for Pennsylvania, they redid people's driver's licenses, so I recently lost my old license, and this is the new one, and it's so ugly. I'm so upset. This is not what driver's licenses usually look like in Pennsylvania, but they like revamped them all, I think a couple months ago. Oh, I'm so upset. I hate change. I got like a food, like a grocery store, like Advantage card. I've got credit card. Ooh, I've got my VIB Rouge card. I've got my Cash App card. I've got my nail salon that I go to. I only go to one nail salon. This is the business card for them in case I need their address or their telephone number. I have a movie gift card, which I should have used when I went to the movies the other day, but that's beside the point. I've got a, what is this? A business card for my car dealership. I've got a Target debit card. I've got a couple credit cards, and I've got a Pet Supplies Plus card because I have a pet fish. And that is it for my bag. Hope you guys enjoyed this like mini bag review and what's in my bag. I hope you guys will subscribe down below, comment to let me know any other videos that you guys want to see, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow my social medias over here, and I will see you guys in the next video.